And today I'm going to be teaching you how to make videos like AdizzPro. And AdizzPro is this YouTuber that makes geography videos like this. And if you want to make videos like that, here are the steps. So first you want to open a new tab and search up map chart. And then what you want to do is go into map chart. Okay. Go to world, go to simple. If you want advanced for Antarctica, you could have that, but you don't really need that. And then what you want to do is go in, and what you want to do is put the background as this little blue color, and then put the advanced, change the default color for countries into white. Press close, then press download map. I've already downloaded it, so I'm not going to download it now. Go into download. Once you go into this, what you want to do is right click, press copy, then go into Paint 3D. If you do not have it, search it up in the Microsoft Store. It's there. And then now, make sure you download it before November 4th, because that's when you will no longer be able to get it. So, yeah. And then what you want to do is you want to paste this. It might not work. Okay, now you have the map, and you can close this now. And you can do that with any world map. If you can, if you look into here, there's a bunch of stuff from World War I, World War II, then you got Asia, the Americas, stuff like that. So, yeah, and then you can play around with the tools. If you want to get started, then I recommend this setup that I have is the Pixel pen. And then put this to 2 pixels for the map, and then you start doing your stuff in your video. See you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.